Do you know how easy it is to roast a chicken at home? I'm gonna show you. It requires no effort and just a few simple ingredients. Let's talk about the chicken first. You're usually gonna find them anywhere from about 3 to 5 pounds. This size is gonna cook in about an hour in your oven. It's a great size to feed a family, and you'll probably have leftovers for multiple meals. Probably the most important thing to know is dry skin is crispy skin, and the way you're gonna get that is by patting it dry after you've given it a good rinse. Next thing you'll need is some butter or oil of choice. I'm gonna do butter. This is gonna give something for the seasonings to stick to, and it's gonna also help create juicy interior, crispy exterior. I'm gonna take a few tablespoons of butter and put it inside the chicken so that it keeps the inside nice and moist. Then I'm gonna take some more softened butter and just kind of rub it on the skin. I also love sticking some butter kind of up under the skin just to add a little more flavor. Next component to the perfect roast chicken, seasonings. Now don't forget to season the inside as well as the outside. You want to create flavor all over the bird. I'm gonna just do a simple seasoning with salt, pepper, and a little onion powder. And the final component is a stuffing for the inside. That can be as simple as just a little bit of onion, or in this recipe, it's just celery. I love to add citrus and herbs as well. I just think it creates an aromatic element to the chicken, makes it so good, makes your kitchen smell good. So I'm going in with some celery, a little bit of onion, some fresh thyme, and some lemon wedges. Now it's ready to go in the oven. When it comes to roasting it, you can use a roasting pan. I prefer to use just a rimmed baking sheet with a rack on top, and then on goes the bird. Sometimes your wings will be sticking out like this. Those can get burned throughout the long cooking process. So if you just kind of take it and flip it under itself, it'll keep it tucked in. And a final important lesson is what temperature to cook this roasted chicken on in order to get juicy insides and crispy outsides. So I'm going in 425 degrees, and I'll see you in about an hour. That's a juicy, crispy bird, and also rested and ready to go. I just like to carve each piece as I eat it. You can carve the whole thing like you do your Thanksgiving turkey. Grab some of those juices from the roasting pan. It's like its own natural au jus gravy. You saw how simple the ingredients were going in, just a little salt and pepper, some butter, but the flavor in here is incredible. I told you it was easy, and I hope you will try to roast your own chicken at home. No need to buy those rotisseries anymore. You're gonna get the best flavor this way. And what I really like to do when no one's looking, so I'll do this when this camera goes off, is I like to take the wing, eat it like a chicken wing. Okay, you can turn it off now. I told you to turn it off.